here to speak about Institutions Innovation Council, that is known as IIC. IIC was formed in the month of December 2019 in our college. I would just like to explain you about IIC, what exactly is IIC. Under IIC, what are the activities to be conducted and what is the purpose and what is the use of it. Okay, have you ever heard the name IIC? Institutions Innovation Council. Actually, this is an initiative of MOE, Ministry of Education. More than 4,000 colleges have got registered themselves under this. Every year they will release a calendar that is known as academic calendar, and innovative activities have to be done by the students as well as the faculty members who got themselves registered in IIC. Okay, activities related to entrepreneurship. Have you ever heard about entrepreneur? Yes. Business person? Yes. Yeah. So actually this is to inculcate the ecosystem, innovation ecosystem, startup ecosystem in higher education institutions. That is the reason why it has been established. So let us look at the focus of IIC, what exactly it is. This is to create a vibrant local innovation system. Innovation in the sense not finding a new thing to the existing product you can add new features. That also comes under innovation. Suppose at your home, if you have a problem, if the water is not passing away properly or some electricity problem, you will try to think that how to solve the problem, right? Do you ever think like that? Yes. So that means you will get the ideas. When you identify a problem, you will get an idea. So that means you may get an existing idea, you may get a new idea. So this is to encourage the students to identify the problem and to find the solution. So when a problem is identified, solution also can be found, right? So first to identify the problem and finding the solution will lead to entrepreneurship, innovative entrepreneurship. So this is what actually is the meaning of it, and this is the aim of IIC, to encourage innovative ecosystem, startup ecosystem, entrepreneurship in higher education institutions. So startup supporting mechanism in higher education institutions, innovation ecosystem, and prepare the institutions for the next level rankings which you will understand in future, etc. This is the main focus of IIC, Institutions Innovation Council. Now what are the functions of IIC? We just look at the functions of IIC: to conduct various innovation, IPR related and entrepreneurship related activities, and identify the innovation and reward systems and share the success stories of entrepreneurship. So to fulfill the functions of IIC, we will conduct various activities on entrepreneurship, innovation and IPR, that is intellectual property rights, so that the students will have an idea like how to identify a problem and how to find a solution to the existing problem. So all of you would like to become employees or entrepreneurs in future. I would like to ask you this question. You want to have your own industry, own business, or you want employment? Own business, very good, excellent. So if you start your own business, you will be self-employed. That means you are employing yourself. At the same time, you are showing employment to other people also, right? So that's the reason why this culture is encouraged in the college. So in future you will understand how to participate in the activities and what exactly is innovation, what is IPR and what is entrepreneurship.